Visitors can navigate to different pages or regions of your website by utilizing toolbars. WordPress includes a solid navigational menu system that your WordPress theme will operate to display menus. Let's make your website have a navigation menu. To get started, navigate to the Appearance menu page. Press the Construct menu button once you've given your navigational menu a title. WordPress will now generate your navigation bar. It will, however, stay empty for the time being. Then, choose the pages you wish to be included in your menu and press the Include to Menu button. Include pages in the WordPress navigation. You will notice that the pages you have selected have taken up the vacant position in your navigation bar. These menu items may be repositioned in the menu by tugging them upwards and downwards. You should now select a place for the display. Your WordPress template determines these locations. Many WordPress themes have an extensive menu in your website's top header. Lastly, hit the Save Menu button to save your navigation bar. On your site, you could already see the menu. Plugins in WordPress are comparable to website apps. They enable you to personalize and broaden the abilities of your WordPress website. Incorporate photo galleries, contact forms, as well as other features of this kind. You could install plugins by navigating your WordPress dashboard in the Plugins page. Currently, there are approximately 59,000 free WordPress plugins accessible. Third-party developers and sites also sell paid plugins. Here is a checklist of vital plugins you must install on your site. They're all free. WP Forms Lite. Use this plugin to incorporate a contact page on your WordPress site. EnviroGallery Lite, a free plugin which lets you build visually appealing photo galleries. Insights from Monsters. Link your site to Google Analytics to know how people utilize and see it so that you can maintain customer loyalty. SeedProd, a page builder that lets you build unique layouts and designs without any technical experience. All-in-One SEO assists you in improving your WordPress SEO and increasing Google traffic. WP Super Cache is a free caching plugin that can assist you in improving your site's speed. Push Engage enables you to interact with visitors once they quit your website, which increases traffic. WP Beginners ranks 5 traffic resources or notifs. Create automated scheduled backups of your website using Updraft Plus. Sucuri is a malware scanning and website security auditing service. WooCommerce, a WordPress plugin that allows you to establish an e-commerce website. It's simple to create an online shop and sell tangible goods. MemberPress, a plugin that assists people to create and sell digital memberships and courses in easy ways. Smashballoon allows you to easily incorporate social network widgets like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. OptinMonster uses dynamic pop-ups, modals, and other clever personalization capabilities to help you obtain more email subscribers and improve your website conversion rate. HubSpot includes CRM, free live chat, and email marketing to provide customer support. It combines well with OptinMonster. Uncanny Automator assists you in creating automated processes to simplify and save time in your small company. WP Mail SMTP solves WordPress email delivery difficulties with PHP mail configurations on WordPress hosting providers.